You gotta hate that word, you girl.
Here's Granddad looking at Esther.
Yeah.
Can I pour it on her body?
Yeah, sure.
Look at that. Oh,
Cute. What's that? The air conditioner. Ooh. Oh. She looked at you like, what the heck? There's Granddad. Granddad, you look super great.
Thank you. You look good too.
Like a movie star. The sound and then you threw the water in. Do 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 do. Okay, let's see Granddad in the background. Hey! Ah!
Can we do a kiss here?
Oh, nice.
Yeah, look at that. What is it? It's a turtle. Okay, put it in a chair. Wow. Aww. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Yeah. Wow.
All you have is photos of Esther swimming in them.
You can turn it on. I mean,
video.
You
Okay, 5 more seconds. Bye bye. Bye, Esther.
Bye bye.